What's up? Day 2, Sheriff's Unit. Let's go. Alright. So this looks like more kitchen stuff, but Bushnell, binoculars. Could not think of what these were called for a second. That's good. This. Huh. Oh, it's from when juiced up Mark McGwire set the home run record. And this says not a reprint. This is the actual real newspaper from when he cheated and hit the home run record. That's cool. So this, like I showed in the last video, Frigidaire wine refrigerator. So that's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. As long as it works, which I imagine it probably will. Have to price it and see what it goes for, but that's not bad at all. These people did not buy cheap stuff. Whoop. Just break it. No, something clicked. I don't know what it was. These people did not buy cheap stuff. So everything in here is good. And they really took care of it, which makes it such a mystery as to why they let the unit go. But, you know. Alright, we got a lot of hair. We got a lot of hair. Tons. Looks like there's a cold horse in Jersey. Alright, winding down on the bins. Got a couple more. This is heavy. Do you guys... Oh, God, they're not going to be here. They will not be here. Please be here. You guys see this? Can you see it? You can't see it. Two Glock cases. Come on, be here. Oh, God.
Nope.
Oh, well. Do have some rounds. There's some hollow points. Got a few, which is always good. You're not going to be here. Are you here? Empty. Come on, maybe some rounds in here. Oh, nothing. Just a speed loader and the lock, and that's it. Oh. Oof. Getting close. Getting so close. But I mean stuff with the, oh, but wait, whoops, but wait, Coach bag, that's good, that's a nice one, and, oops, as it falls on the ground, and another one. And some more. What are you? Another one. Another Coach bag. That's great. They look legit. Yeah, these are real. These are real. These are nice. And you got any other goodies? No, this is cup stuff. So hey, that ain't bad. 3 nice Coach bags. Perfect. So we got this really nice kitchen. Looks like a kitchen hutch. It's wrapped up, but there's 3 drawers right here. Oh no, it's the backside. So there's 3. It's hard to see. 3 drawers. As you can kind of. There's a little handle right there. So there's 3 of those. Super nice for the kitchen. Wrought iron legs, really cool. That gaming chair is a little wobbly and needs a screw bolt, so I don't see it laying around. So, but it might be worth going by Home Depot and just picking up one just to throw in there. This little cabinet is nothing to write home about, but it is in good shape, so that'll draw a couple of bucks. And then let's see, we got the gaming chair. I showed you that. The office chair is really nice, really nice. Arms come up, it's in really good shape. And office chairs are ridiculously expensive. So, nice big rug. Haven't unwrapped it yet, but I'll do that tomorrow. Looks like it's circular, looks to be in great shape. Here we got the base for the kitchen table. So nice base, kitchen table is here. I'll unwrap that tomorrow and shoot a video of it. I didn't want to unwrap it while I load it, but I will tell you, it has these 4 chairs. They are from Bassett, which is good furniture. It's decent furniture, so that's great. Have to look that up and get a price on that. Got this chaise lounge here. It does need to be cleaned. It's a little dirty. It's got some stains. Looks like just some drink spills or something on the cushions, but that's no biggie. We can clean that up and get a few bucks for that. And then right here we have got very nice gaming table. So as we know from everything else we found in this unit, at least one person in this unit was a big time gamer. So nice gaming table. You can get all your stuff. I guess you can get your, I don't know what you put under there, but monitor here and then something here. Put your Mountain Dew here, phone here, and plate for your Hot Pockets. And then plate for your fried stuffed Oreos. I'm sorry, I'm being real hateful right now. I don't mean to disparage the image of gamers. I apologize. I'm just joking. Just jokes. But yeah, nice gaming table. That'll be a couple of bucks. I mean, this unit is off the charts. All right, guys. As you can see, it is done. All loaded up, ready to go to my place and start sorting, start listing, all of which I will do tomorrow. But hey, hell of a unit, right? I mean, for as bumpy of a start as I had at the beginning of the year, this one was great. This is quite possibly the best unit I've bought in terms of the value of the stuff and the quality and just the way it was taken care of and the cleanliness and just everything. So great unit. Can't wait to see kind of what else I find and get the things priced and all that kind of stuff. So I'm truly speechless at this one. This one was real crazy. So I'm glad you guys tuned in. Glad you guys checked it out, and I hope you enjoyed it. And hey, there'll be more to come. And just remember, guys, it's 2023. We're 4 units in on the year. We're almost 1/5 of the way to our goal, and it's only January 13th right now. So we're doing good. We're buying units out here in these streets, doing what we do. And when we're doing what we do, I want you to remember that you cannot make money buying storage units. All right? Look at me. You can't make any money doing this. So don't do it. All right? Peace. I'll see you next video.